तो गाइज अभी हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट एसटीडी। तो सेक्सुअल ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज़ जो है उसमें मैं 4 या 5 डिजीज़ बताऊंगा जो कि मोस्ट कॉमनली देखी जाती हैं। ठीक है, होने को तो बहुत होती है पर मेनली हम लोग मोस्ट कॉमन की बात करेंगे। तो सेक्सुअल ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज़ में सबसे पहला आता है अपना सिफाइलिस। सो गाइज फर्स्ट वन इज सिफाइलिस, सेकेंड वन इज सेंक्रोइड, थर्ड one is genital herpes, and fourth one is donovanosis. So guys, we will discuss about these 4 topics. So first we need to understand the how we differentiate these how we differentiate these disease from each other. So first basically we will differentiate these disease by their symptoms. So if there is a painful ulcer, if there is painful ulcer with painful suppurative lymph node, that is synchroid. So guys, this is very important. If there is a painful ulcer with painful suppurative lymph node, with suppurative in the sense pus suppurative lymph node, that is a synchroid. And if there is a painful vesicles with painful lymph node, that is the basically herpes. This vesicle may get rupture and result in the formation of erosion, and it will be multiple. We will see there is a multiple of vesicle in genital area in herpes. So in herpes there is a multiple ulcer. We see there is a multiple vesicle, and if the vesicle rupture, the erosion may form, and there is a multiple erosion may seen. And the second thing, guys, I'm going to discuss. So what is the synchroid? Synchroid is a painful ulcer with painful suppurative lymph node. So basically this is what differentiate this is what the symptom of this synchroid differentiate from these 3. There is a suppurative lymph node with painful ulcer, and there is a painful vesicle. It may get rupture and converted into the erosion, and there is a painful lymph node, but this will not suppurative. And the third, guys, so these two are painful with painful lymph node. But what is different between these two? There is a suppurative lymph node and there is a no suppurative lymph node. And the second one, guys, I will discuss painless ulcer. So the painless ulcer, we have 2 disease, syphilis and donovanosis. So guys, in syphilis there is a painful ulcer with involvement of lymph node, and in donovanosis, guys, there is a painful ulcer without lymph node involvement. So basically by these symptoms we can differentiate these 4 from each other. Then guys, we will separately discuss this topic. So let me discuss about primary syphilis. So basically syphilis have 3 stages: primary, secondary, tertiary stages. So primary syphilis, so basically first we will discuss about the primary syphilis. So guys, in primary syphilis the incubation period is basically 9 to 90 days, and basically syphilis is caused by the which organism? It's caused by Treponema pallidum. Treponema pallidum, and incubation period is about 9 to 90 days, and there will be the basically there is a single well defined painless about clinical features. When we discuss about their clinical features, there is single well defined painful painless. Before this I discuss all these, and we see the painless ulcer seen in syphilis and donovanosis. Single well defined painless indurated ulcer. Indurated means slightly raised. So these are the clinical feature of the primary syphilis. Then guys, the what is the secondary syphilis? Basically secondary syphilis is involve skin, it involve the mucosa, and it also involve the hair. It causes permanent hair loss. And in tertiary syphilis basically involve the major organ like heart, light neurons. So basically it affect the major organ. That is a secondary syphilis. Tertiary syphilis. Basically guys, the investigation done the investigation done in primary syphilis basically a dark ground microscope. So basically we do dark ground microscope in syphilis. Just a second guys. So this is the investigation what we do. Then guys, second topic I am going to discuss about. First we see the treatment of this syphilis. So the drug of choice in syphilis is penicillin injection, benzathine penicillin. We give 2.4 million unit. International unit. Basically this is the single dose which we given in a primary syphilis. And the other thing guys, the treatment of the tertiary syphilis. Basically this is the treatment for the primary and secondary syphilis. We give only one single dose of 2.4 million injection benzathine penicillin IV. And the other for tertiary syphilis, the treatment is 3 injection weekly. Guys, if anyone are allergic to penicillin, then the drug of choice will be doxycycline 100 mg bg. And if there is a pregnancy plus allergy, then we will do the desensitization. Desensitization. So basically guys, this is all about the syphilis. Then we will discuss our next topic, that is what donovanosis. So now we will discuss about the donovanosis. So guys, what is donovanosis? Donovanosis basically the BP red ulcer. Just a second. BP red ulcer on touch the bleeding scene. If we touch that ulcer, the bleeding scene, that is guys donovanosis. So this is the BP red ulcer with bleeding on touch. So basically we can see that there is a red type of laddu. So it seen like red laddu. After completing these all 4 topic guys, I will show the image of that all diseases, so you can easily rememberize these symptoms, and it will be in your graph. Then guys, what is the investigation? The investigation basically we done Ginsa stain. Basically crust smear with ginseng stain. Crust smear with ginseng stain. So basically finding what we will find, guys. There will be Donovanosis body. We will find Donovanosis body in the lab. Then guys, basically this is caused by this, the causative organism of this Donovanosis is basically Klebsiella granulomatis. This is the causative organism for this Donovanosis. And the guys, third topic I'm going to discuss about the synchroid. So guys, when I start this video, I discuss about the symptom of I start with discussing about their symptoms. So what symptom I discuss in the synchroid? There is a painful ulcer, painful suppurative ulcer with painful suppurative lymph node. So this is very important. There will be painful suppurative lymph nodes. So investigation, basically what is investigation? Investigation is gram staining. And drug of choice is tablet AG 1 gram single dose. So like primary syphilis, where we give single dose of benzathine penicillin 2.4 million international unit IV. Here we also give tablet azithromycin 1 gram single dose. Then guys, next thing about this, next thing I'm going to discuss about herpes. So guys, basically what is herpes? So basically herpes is called by the genital herpes, basically called by the herpes simplex 2 virus, that is SSV2. And incubation period about 3 to 12 days. There is a multiple vesicles which is painful, and if they get rupture, the erosion may occur. And in both guys there is involvement of lymph nodes and painful lymph node involvement. We also see painful lymph node involvement. And guys, the investigation in the herpes, that is the zinc smear with ginseng stain. So this is the investigation what we that we do in herpes genitalis. And drug of choice is guys acyclovir 400 mg TDS. So guys, I will show you the picture of all diseases what we discuss here. So first, let me show the picture, guys. So guys, basically my net is now working here. So you can also go on Google and check the images of these diseases, and you can easily find there the image of these diseases. And so guys, in next video I discuss the other topic of the dermatology. So basically this is the sexual transmitted disease. So hope guys you like this video, and if you like this video, guys, please share the video, and please like the video, and please subscribe the channel. And we will discuss the dermatology next topic in upcoming classes. Thank you so much, guys.